Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome all of you, traditional veal tandoori recipe. In this video you will see in detail how a traditional meat dish is made. Please follow the details of the preparation of the meal, served with the magnificent meat sauce. Beef roast portions to be used. Here's 55 kilograms of roast beef. Onion. Fresh thyme. Fresh rosemary. Garlic. Tomato paste, liquid sunflower oil and butter. Salt, white powder pepper, red powder pepper, red paprika. Pepper, cumin and mixed vegetables. Soy sauce. Powdered meat bouillon. First you need to roast the veal roasts. You can do this process by using cast pan on overheated hair. Turn the roasts and fry them completely. After roasting the roast, 6-hour cooking phase will begin. Add oil and butter to the saucepan. Chop the onions into large slices. The garlic is divided into two. Freshly thyme. Rosemary chop. Add the chopped ingredients and mix for 1 minute. Add tomato paste. Add spices. White powder pepper, red powder pepper, red paprika, black pepper, cumin and mixed vegetable seasoning, meat bouillon. Stir in soy sauce and salt. Stir a little. Add a little boiling water. Add veal roasts. Add boiling water over the meats. Cook the roasts on low heat for 6 hours. Roast is cooked hard and late, make sure it is cooked well. Check that the roasts are soft enough by dipping a toothpick. Remove the roasts from the boiling broth. Transfer into a wide deep tray without water. Filter the water in the pot and transfer it into a container. A delicious and healthy broth from boiling meat for 6 hours. The veal is dry and lean, so this delicious sauce will be added on the tandoor. Boil the broth you have stored in the cupboard, add the amount you use again and boil. More flavor and a solid consistency with a slightly powdered demi-glace sauce. You can see the food sauce exactly the desired consistency. Roasts are fully cooked and then stretched and stored in the freezer. Meat is removed from the freezer and used when needed. Cut the roasts 3 or 4 pieces. Extract meats into long thin pieces. You can decompose more easily by heating slightly with steam. Place finely prepared meat on the baking sheet. The amount of meat prepared in this tray is sufficient for 50 people. Chop the fatty parts of the meat with a knife. Sliced butter on prepared meat. Completely cover the meats with butter slices. Cover the tray with aluminum foil and bake at 100 degrees for 1 hour. Add rice with pistachio and raisins to the serving plate. A slice of lavash bread. Add the meat to the bread. Add the special sauce prepared with the meat's own juice. Add solid strain yogurt next to this dish and serve hot. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. See you in a new video. Goodbye.